Hey, Hazza Beads here. I wasn't sure how to make this video, but I know that it's long overdue. It's official. This channel is coming to an end. I just wanted to make a short video to explain my absence and what's next. I wanted to make this video sooner, but I spent so much time thinking about what I should include in this video. I was putting off other stuff, so I took a break from hammer beads until all of a sudden exams were in my face and I had to put it out of mind. Anyway, I'm back, just for one last time.
Alright, let's do this one last time.
I just didn't want to be one of the YouTubers that leave for months without saying anything. Oh. Who knows, I might pick up the pieces in the future, but for now I'm gonna call it quits. Still, over the years I've hit crazy milestones which I didn't think I'd hit, like 50,000 plus views, 250 plus subscribers, and almost 10,000 views on a video. I still have plenty of videos either in concept or waiting to be uploaded. But recently I feel like spending 20 hours on a YouTube video isn't worth my time. Sorry. I'm uploading this video 5 years since my first upload, and I want to give a huge shout out to all the people who supported the channel in any way wherever you are, from Western America to Eastern Malaysia. Thank you. You don't often get many opportunities to educate others, so I'm going to make the most of this one. If there's one message I can leave in your minds, it's to never put off tomorrow what can be done today.